Semphiya manje inkunzi futhi kulo nyaka. Owesithathu lo nyaka nje. Hey, umuntu unamabhadi. Nge-1st kaJanuwari. Okay, angidakiwe. Bayithathe lokhuza yami, ifoni yami. Luckily kwakuyi-Mobicel, ifoni eyayindala enginandaba nayo. Ifoni ehlakaniphileyo ngiyishilo endlini. Lo phone leyo ngomhla ka-21 April yanyamalala nayo through ijiki. Lapho-ke ndandibuya ejikini nahlangana nentombazane eyidakwe njengami, ndayithatha ndeza nayo endlini, ndavuka ekuseni seyingasekho, ithatha izinto zami, izinto zokunxiba, ifoni, izinto zokuthambisa. Ifoni ebeseno-7 months, ifoni ehlakaniphileyo, ifoni ka-5,000. Le yokuqala kwakuyifoni i-Mobicel, amafoni angaphansi kwaka-1,000 yabo. It's fine. Le eyesi-2 ibiseno-7 months. Kwakungumhla ka-21 April. Ifoni ka-5,000. Yahamba nentombazane. And angiyazi Nkosi yami, angiyazi like angiyazi ngendlela engidake ngayo, igama eyalisho angikhohlwa ukuthi yathi ngumbali. But anyway, namhlanje ngomhla ka-14 August bambambile futhi. Hey. 5 yamajita, I think 5 or 6 yamajita. Qhamuka uyi-1 ngibamba kanje. Vela abanye ecaleni, vela abanye emva kwami bangiginqa phansi, kuqhuma isibhaqo. Yabo nje, yabo la liyaduma la. Liyaqala liyavaleka. So luckily le phone engiyisebenzisayo le ngirekhoda ngayo ibila endlini. Nayo ngisanda kuyithenga ifoni lokhuza ngingalisho negama layo. Bayinamba imali yayo ukuthi ibiza malini, but ngisanda kuyithenga. Luckily ngisanda ngithenge futhi. Ngithenge nini? Ekuqaleni kwa-August, ngithenge ekuqaleni kwa-August, yeah. Imagine ifoni nayo kusho ukuthi ibizohamba phela nayo le. Like ngiyishiye ngamabomu cause like ngibuya la ngibuya bengiselokhuzini ngiyosubmit izinto zami, ama-logbook wami yabo namhlanje. So ngibuya elokhuzini la bengifunda khona e-college la bengifunda kuyo. Ngibuye late, angikwazanga ukuthi ukupheka yabo. So bengiye egarage kahle hle ngiyothenga nje sausage ne-drink just nje ukuthi yabo bese ngiyalala sizopheka kusasa yabo. Kanti ngiyophisa ngefoni yami. Luckily ngithatha ifoni ebhedayo, ifoni nje le Hisense eka-600, but nayo bengisanda kuyithenga this year nayo, because ngiyithenge le Hisense ngoba sengithathele ifoni yesibini, ifoni le ka-5,000, le ethathwe ngomhla ka-21 April. So life yami like i-life yami like in total amafoni aselahlekile empilweni yami, like through ukubanjwa inkunzi, through ukudakwa, through ebiwe nje ewodwa esendlini, more than 20 yabo. Right now more than 20, like this year alone sekulahleke 3 yamafoni. I don't know, like ikhona lento cause like ngiyekile uphuza right now. Like namhlanje ngiyambona ukuthi angiphuza, angisaphuzi like since ngomhla ka-21 April, since ngilahle ifoni le ka-5,000, I decided ukuthi yazi indaba yamajiki ngiyayiyeka yabo. So noma sengisoba still izinto noma sengiyekile ukuphuza, izinto zami nje ziyathathwa abantu. I don't know man, I don't know. Noma mhlambe kusho ukuthi akufanelanga mina nibe nezinto like besides amafoni bafethu, yazi life yami ukukhula kwami abantu mhlambe I don't know mhlambe abantu kunento abayifilayo abayisensayo ukuthi akwazi ukuzilwela lo, akwazi ukuzimela into yakhe whatever. Njalo like ukukhula kwami nje abantu bebelokhu bezithathela izinto zami, like mhlawumbe bezithatha uphaqa, bethatha ama-charger ami, bethatha into zokugqoka, ama-jacket, like like mhlambe into engilandelayo, mhlambe I don't know kumele ndenzeni. Cause like angifuni gqoka kuhambe sometimes ndiye ndibe nayo yabo nje le phone le ka 5000 ngaba nayo inhliziyo ukuthi you know what, cause that's the most expensive phone endake ndayithenga in my life. Ndakaba nayo inhliziyo ukuthi you know what, awuthi ndiyamloya umuntu, but like angithandi ukwenza into ezikanjalo. What if iyangena egazini lokho ngiyenza njalo, then loya sengingasafanelanga noma sengingasasukela ngoba mhlawumbe seninomona ke ngoku ngivele niloyo. Angifuni ukusebenzisa imithi but yo, hey, angifuni like serious like yo, but like ngendlela ezenzeka ngayo ngathi umuntu kudingeka kabi oloya abantu njalo kanti kunezinto niyathathelwa nje abantu lapho mina ngihluphi bani mina Nkosi yami, mina I'm a good person, mina this is senkosi, angihluphi bantu, angibahluphi abantu, but mina ndiyahlushwa, mina ngithathela izinto njalo. Right now like lo nyaka lo, this year alone, izinto esezingilahlekele, amafoni esengilahlekele ewodwa ayi-3, and it's a thing like I don't, there's a pattern kule nto yami yokulahlekelwa zini like yabo nje kuvamisile ukuthi I think there's a curse, there's a spell upon me yabo. Every 1st of January kuba khona into ehambayo elafini yami. Like it's not my first time ukuthi ngilahleke ngiqala unyaka kabuhlungu. Yabo lo nyaka lo ngiqale kabuhlungu, yabo. Was it khona unyaka la ekwathathwa 2 bags izikhwama, like khona la ndandisebenza e-laundry, so impahla ndizithenga ndizifaka esikhwameni, ngagcwalisa u2 bag wonke wezikhwama, impahla ezintsha brand new zebiwa zonke. Khona nje unyaka la ndaqala unyaka la u1st kaJanuary izinto zami kwasekuseni sezingasekho, so like I don't know, there's something engekho right ngami. Kukhona mhlambe okay angingasho because umlomo uyadala, but I think kukhona ongahambi kahle ngami. Noma kumele ndiye esangomeni ndiyohlola ngibone ukuthi kwenzakalani, or kumele ngithandaze, or kumele ngiyeke, or kumele yo. Yabo namhlanje ngishayiwe, ngiyaqala. I think no like yabo, I think bayaqala nabo ukubamba inkunzi. Normally abantu uma uphethe isikhali like uyamsikaza umuntu ngesikhali hey bona bebaninzi, abanye bangishaya khona nje uyi-1 amehla avaleke lo ngibona ama-stars lo masukuthi lo ngibona ama-stars nje kuqhuma impama njalo, bafuna imali, nithi imali ayikho la, luckily ikhadi abalithathanga, babona cause benilele kanje, benilele phansi bengaphezulu kwami, bengicinezele, bengishaya, bengifaka unyawo, wakwabona amaphoyisa amabamba isigebengu esiphansi esishaya, esigxiviza kanje, esigxiviza kuqhuma impama kwenza zonke. Hey namhlanje yo suku lami lapho ngihappy kanjani ukuthi finally ngisubmithile izinto zami ze-logbook, bese usuku lami uzophela kabuhlungu kanje, like kungeze yo nayo lo logbook ngezeka bathi khona okungekho right yo, but damn it man. Bafethu I don't know khona into engekho on. Yabo nje ilihlo lami liyavaleka khona ukhiye osele ngihambe ndiyawufuna niwuboni, ngiwushiye lapho khona umnyango lo kumele ndiwugqekeze ngikwazi ukungena kuwo, but luckily umnyango lo i-front door ikhona ilokhuza khona, ukhiye wakhona ndikwazile ufumana, and ngethamsanqa abalifumananga ikhadi belikwi-back pocket, bakhuthuzile bangathi bangafumananga. Bafethu ngiyalihlonipha iTheku. Hey, I miss emakhaya, angazi ngibanje inkunzi emakhaya, ngiloku ngibanje inkunzi la eThekwini kuphela naseMaritzburg. Emakhaya ami bangiphethe kahle, angazi nje ngibanje inkunzi emakhaya, noma mhlambe it's a sign ukuthi kumele ngigoduke ngibuyele ekhaya eMampondweni. I think so, mhlambe sengihlale kakhulu la eKZN sekumele ngigoduke ngibuyele ekhaya, maybe it's a sign. But lento yokuthathela izinto it was something eyenzeka eyaqala even if ngise-Eastern Cape, lento ukuthi abantu balokhu bethatha izinto zami, well at least that side it was family yabo eLekhuza, amalento family members yabo, bekulula izihlobo, ama relatives and stuff yabo. belokhu bethatha nje into zami, into ethatha into ingathi uyayigqoka ahambe nayo kanjalo yabo. Lapho mina angizenzi. Hey, kunzima, bye bye.